In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find old chats Microsoft Teams. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load so your recent chats and menu options are visible. Once Teams is open, look at the very top of the window. You will see the search bar running across the top area. Click directly inside that search bar to place your cursor there. Now type a keyword that you remember from the conversation you are trying to find. This could be a project name, a topic you discussed, or a specific phrase that was used. You can also type the name of the person you chatted with, which is often the easiest way to narrow things down. Try to be as specific as possible because more specific keywords usually return cleaner results. After you type your keyword or the person's name, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Teams will take you to a results page where it groups different kinds of matches. On that results page, focus on the top left area where you can switch between result types. Click the Messages tab. This is important because it filters the results down to actual chat messages instead of showing files, people, or other content that may match your search. Next, find the Date drop-down menu in the Search Results view and click it. This lets you limit results to a time period, which is very helpful when you know roughly when the chat happened. Select a specific date range that makes sense for what you are looking for. If you are unsure, start broader, then narrow it down once you confirm you are seeing the right conversation. Once the date range is set, scroll through the list of message results. Take your time and read the message previews because they give you enough context to confirm you are in the right place. When you find the message you want, click that specific message preview. Teams will open the old conversation for you, and you will see the main window jump to that exact point in the chat history. From there, you can scroll up or down to review the surrounding messages and continue reading the conversation. That covers everything you need to know.